Hello, students and professionals. Let's welcome back. This is one of my student and like YouTube viewer asked this question. My Udemy student. Okay, I would like to clarify this. Probably I have shown this in my GST explanation. Okay, what is the topic today? How to activate or control tax 3 and tax 4 fields in customer master in real time ECC or S4 HANA. So either it is customer master or PP master, same story. Okay. Certain countries, apart from tax 1 and tax 2 fields, you're supposed to activate tax 3 and tax 4 fields if it is required, depends on the your business requirements for tax actually. So when you talk about that one, in the specific context, I have give certain example GST. Okay, so tax 3 is the field they have used. Okay, for your GSTN number. So if you look at this in this example, only tax 1 and 2 is activated. How we are going to activate tax 3? That is the agenda for today's discussion. Okay. So now if you look at this is the same path you have to go it, and probably you have done a lot of practice on your quick observation. You might have forgotten the place where you have to pick these things. For example, if I go this example XT03, let me try to open this customer. Okay, let's click this. So you see this uh, general data. Okay, this is the place where you have address, and the immediate tab is control. Here you can able to see tax 1 and tax 2 fields are there, but there is no place for tax 3 and tax 4. Okay, that control I'm going to show you now. Go to SPRO reference IMG. So let's try to go to the financial accounting or financial accounting new, anywhere is fine. So account receivable and account payable, go to the customer master. Similar way you have to do it for your vendor master also if you would like to get activated. So since this is for SD folk asked the question, I'm just trying to give my best to explain this one. So preparation for creating master data. Okay, this is the place where you're aware of this one, right? Account groups we are going to create general. This is the place where we come back again and again to make it mandatory, optional, and suppress these kind of activities we are going to do. So ZH01, okay. So how to find account group for customer master, that also I have done video against master data. Okay, let's simply go to the general data. You look at here, address, communication, and control. This is the place where you have to come here. See, this page you cannot able to find. You have to go to the page 2. If you how you are going to do the page 2. Okay, either you can this is for next group. Okay, so what you have to do is, so you can click this button. Okay, so this is going to the page 2. If you up, it will go to the previous tab. Okay, let's go to the page 2. Now look at here, you can able to see tax 3, 4, 5 also available. Okay, so let me try to make this one as an optional entry. 3, 4, and just simply do the same. Okay. So now let's go to the XT02 again and click enter. So now you got 3, and where is the 4? I think 4 I haven't selected. Anyhow, 4 also similar way you have to do it. 3 and 4 you can able to select here. Okay, there are two things are there. One is that client level also you can able to do it. I think the transaction is, let me check, OB20. Okay, so here, so let's go to the change general data control. This is the transaction. Okay, let's go to the page 2. Here also you can able to do it. Okay, this is how you can able to play the system. Okay, this is a transaction code OB20. Don't worry about that, you can go by path. So I don't want to confuse you more. Okay, this is how you can able to activate and inactivate the system for your tax classification. So all these are the different courses. If you really wanted to along with the GST full course, you can able to give a try in my pricing courses. and pricing complete concepts. And I have another course for advanced level, little depth in standard. You can also give it a try. And see, this is 100% needed. So like if you really wanted to try better way for your first job, okay, it's always good to you know have these courses. One is for idocs and another one is this getting master to write a functional specification. It is very, very important. And apart from that, this is the course with 106 hours. I'm just trying to add this video as well as there for a tip for my Udemy students also. I have some courses at real-time level. If you look at here, advanced down payment scenarios, if you wanted to give it a try, you can give it a try. And support, all these are the different courses. I'm just providing these links below of this video. You can give it a try. If you really wanted to learn or wanted to become a best consultant in the market for SD. And not only that, you just continuously follow my YouTube channel to get the tips like this. Thank you so much. Wishing you all the best. And Jai Bharat. Have a great day.